So hello guys, welcome back to our channel The Goan Views. So today we are going to a place which is most famous and mostly visited in Goa. That is the Fort Aguada and the Agua Jail. So let's get started.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only.
Fort Aguada has always been one of the prime attractions of Goa. The square-shaped citadel at the hilltop offers one of the most stunning views of the Arabian Sea. Right below the fort is Aguad Central Jail, which has always caught the attention of tourists due to its interesting location overlooking the sea. Till some time back, it used to be the largest prison in Goa. Enough time passed and the state government realized the tourism potential of the place. The Goa Tourism Development Corporation, that is the GTDC, has now decided to convert the jail into a museum. Last year, the prison moved its inmates to the new jail at Kolwale, when developed into the proposed tourism spot. The jail will serve the purpose of being heritage site apart from being a tourist attraction. In order to ensure the revival and restoration of the site history, GTDC has involved both the Goa Heritage Action Group and Goa's freedom fighters in this project. According to several media reports, the master plan of the Agua Jail Museum Tourism project includes the creation of activity zones, viewing galleries, amenity zones, tourist information, renovation of temple and chapel areas, renovation of the prison cells, prison corridors, walls, pathways, seating, water fountains, new and improved lighting of the jail campus, well equipped calf, and a lot more.